Hi everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews. And today I'm reviewing another DVR sent to me by TiESFONG. This time it's an A7WB model. It has front-facing, cabin-facing and rear-facing camera. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see what's in the box. User manual. This is the camera. A gift. Looks like some lenses, some other accessories. Oh, this is the kit to connect it to the fuse box, so you can power it up that way. Okay, this is the RGB2 connector. Interesting, I haven't seen that one before. Cool. And this is the rear camera here. Yeah, this is the rear camera with the cable that connects to the front one. Great. All right, now let's install it. While I'm installing, I'll mention a cool parking mode feature this camera has called Radar Parking Monitor, which allows you to power the camera via a fuse box or OBD2 and have two sensitivity settings: sensitive and weak detection, and an off switch. With the OBD cable, you can also set a voltage limit from 11.8 to 12.2 volts that will shut the camera off if the voltage detected from the OBD2 is lower than the desired setting. I gotta say, this is really great that the manufacturer includes all these options within one package, so you don't have to go chasing extra accessories and/or worry if they are compatible. One more cool feature is that instead of attaching directly to the windshield, the main camera has a bracket that allows to easily take the camera off if you need. I'll use the OBD2 connector and cable for easiest setup. Here's the switch that allows you to set the voltage cutoff. Looks like the device starts to record automatically, as it should when it gets power. I'll adjust the height. Let's get that rear camera connected now. Great, rear camera recording starts automatically as well. Here's how the front camera looks from the outside. Okay, time to test it in action. In this camera, the main front-facing image is 1440p in this mode, which is great. The cabin-facing and rear cameras record in 1080p. As soon as the car is out of the underground garage, it acquires the GPS signal, measures speed, and sets up the time properly, as well as embeds it into the frame along with the current coordinates. It also records with sound. Let's see how legible the license plate of the car in front is. Looks good, although you have to be closer. I'd say it's about the same distance as I can read the plate with my own eyes. Let's check out the rear camera. The image is a bit bluish because of the tint. What about cabin-facing camera? Looks great. This can come in handy if you are driving for hire, for example. This is the front camera recording without the polarized filter. You can see the dashboard reflection in the windshield. Now let's check out that polarized filter. There we see the dashboard reflection. I'll rotate the filter. it's gone almost completely. This is a great feature. Alright, now let's get to some technical stuff. The main camera in this one records in 1440p, 25 frames per second, and 12.5 megabits per second bitrate in HEVC codec with mono 16 kHz, 34 kilobits AAC sound, which is a bit too high for a 1440p video as far as I'm concerned, but more is better than not enough. Cabin and rear facing cameras are 1080p, 25 frames per second and 5 megabits bitrate. Each camera has its own subfolder on the microSD card, A, B, and C, so it's really easy to organize. There's also a video player with GPS data and maps stored on the microSD card. Here's what it looks like after installing. Let's open a random video I recorded and see what data it shows. Okay, so it shows the location on the map, current speed and direction. Nice. There's also Wi-Fi connectivity that allows you to view clips on your smartphone through the app, which is really neat. Just power up your camera and connect to it using this app. In the camera menu, you can change various settings, but what you've seen in the video is camera right out of the box with no setting adjustments whatsoever, so it really is plug and play, user-friendly. So what did I like? Polarized filter. Looks like this is a new standard that should be available in every camera. Solidly built, no cheap plastic, easy to install and use on default settings. A variety of options to connect the camera to the power, including OBD2 and battery voltage cutoff switch in the box. Good camera menu, intuitive to navigate without the user manual. Detailed user manual if you need it. Plenty of useful extras in the box, including a 128GB microSD. Comes with video player GPS software. You can find links in the video description if you would like to purchase this product. That's it. Thank you for watching. Drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time.